This is Luke Lehman, hiring out here in the cold beach. The wind is obviously picking up even more. It's almost impossible to walk out onto the beach. I was just trying to walk down to the beach, but I couldn't do it. It was just too much. I'm trying to go out here now. It's had a little bit of a slump, so it's not as fast. It's really picking up. The ocean is just mad. It's literally mad. Not much around here. Oh shit. Let's go to our secondary cover. Okay, I'm here at our first spot. This is gonna be our first base. Ah, shit. God, that sand hurts. It actually hurts. Fuck. Walk back. Really hurts. Just like these whole clouds of dust are just moving along the surface. It stings your feet.